Okay, in this tutorial we will design this product. So let's begin. First we will design its base. So open Solidworks, select the dimensions to millimeter, gram and second, and here go to top plane, sketch. Now go to rectangle, center rectangle. Okay, as we can see that its width is 80 millimeter and its length is 100 millimeter. Eighty, 100. Okay, now we will draw a rectangle in middle of at the midpoint of this side, this line whose length is 20 millimeter and width is 15 millimeter. Rectangle, but we need corner rectangle. Okay, okay, assign dimension 20 millimeter and 15 millimeter. This is 20, this is 15. Okay, now select a midpoint of this line, hold control key, select this midpoint, make them horizontal. Now they are aligned. Okay, and go to trim entities, trim to closest, and trim this. Again trim this. Okay, it's also fillet to 3.2 millimeter radius. Okay, fillet 3.2 millimeter. Okay, okay, and also make this two circles 9 millimeter diameter. Select circle, this. Okay, select this circle, make them equal. Okay, now this circle from this corner point it's 10 millimeter, and from this corner point at this side it is also 10 millimeter. So select this and this, 10 millimeter. Again this point and this corner point and this side it's 10 millimeter. Okay, same is this one, 10 millimeter. Millimeter, 9 millimeter radius, 9 millimeter radius. Okay, after this go to these three circles. They are 6 millimeter diameter, three circles. Okay, simply select a line, draw a line, horizontal line, escape, select this line for construction. Okay, draw three circles, one at end point, one at the center, and one at other end point. Okay, select circle, control other circle and the third circle, make them equal. Okay, they are 6 millimeters. assign dimension to one of them, and they will all be equal due to our. Now as we can see that the distance between the center of this circle and this circle, it's 24 millimeter. Center of this and center of this, it's 24 millimeter. And from this edge to their centers, this is 15 millimeter. So this edge to their center, it's 15 mm. And from this corner point to the center of this circle, it is 28. Okay, now these circles are fully defined as we need them. Okay, now go to this one. First of all, we need to make this line. Okay, select line, escape. As we can see, the angle of this line to this line, it's 120 degree. Okay, select dimension, this line, select this line, this angle, select 120, enter. Okay, drag this point. Okay, okay, trim entities, trim this and this line and this line. Okay, now go to mirror entities, entities to mirror. We want to mirror this one, sorry, make this point a little bit at this side. Okay, okay, now go to mirror entities, entities to mirror. We want to mirror this line, mirror about. From here select front plane, see. Okay, go to trim, dimension, this line, and between this line angle is 120 degree. Okay, we do not need to do assign the angle between these two because it is same as this line, and since its angle is 120 degree with respect to this line, so it's also the same. Okay, now it's complete. Just select center point of this, make them horizontal. Okay, so it's complete. We need to extrude it up to 10 millimeter height. Okay, go to features, extruded boss base, and upside. Okay, 10 millimeter. Good. See, now select this sketch. We want to sketch this one. Okay. There is a line 13 millimeter and again 13 millimeter. Okay. Line, again select line in this direction. Okay. Select this line, hold control key, select this line, make them parallel. Select this line and this line and also make them parallel. Okay. Dimensions 13 millimeter and 13 millimeter. Okay. And it's extruded from bottom to 15 millimeter, so we will just need to extrude it up to 5 millimeter more, since we have extruded 10 millimeter, 5 millimeter. Okay, go to features, extruded boss base, and 5 millimeter. Okay, now go to mirror, face a plane. Secondary mirror, we need to mirror a feature. Okay, select the feature, it's selected. Now about, we want to mirror it about this. See, preview, it's good. Okay, but it's not good. We can see there is a slight problem. Okay, edit, clear. We need to feature, go to this sketch, edit this sketch, select this point, hold control key and select this point, make them vertical. Okay, exit sketch. Now we can see it's good. Okay, now we will sketch this feature. So select this surface, enter sketch. We need to draw a rectangle, 12 millimeter width and 15 millimeter length. Okay, okay, now select the midpoint of this, hold control key and select the origin. Okay, make them horizontal. Good. Now assign the dimensions 12 millimeter and 15 millimeter. 12, 15. Okay. Now we need to extrude it. We need to extrude it up to 15 millimeter. It's same amount. Same. So go to features, extrude, 5 millimeter more. Okay. After that, we need to fillet this part. Go to fillet, radius. Here we are not provided with radius of this fillet, so we will just assume it 2 millimeter. Increase it up to 3 millimeter. Sorry, 3 mm. This looks good. Okay. Select the side, sketch. Okay. Select a circle. Okay. It's I think it's almost 1.4 millimeter diameter. Go to features, extruded cut through all, but it's cutting this surface. We do not want it, so make it blind. Okay. And give it dimension 12 millimeter. See, it's good. Now we will design this feature. For this we need to first we will design its base. So the base circle is 24 millimeter diameter and it's extruded up to 6 millimeter height. Like this, sketch. $24 millimeter. Go to features, extrude 6 mm. Okay, now this circle it's 16 millimeter, but before this we will design this feature, this sphere. Okay, front plane. Okay, line, select this line, make it for construction. It's 34 millimeter. Okay, select this circle, this sphere it's 24 diameter. Dimension 24. Okay, select a line from this point to this point. Okay, trim to closest, select this. Okay, now delete this line, we do not need it, and go to features, revolved boss base. Sketch is currently open. A non-thin revolution feature requires a closed sketch. Would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? No. Here select 360-degree, uncheck thin feature. Okay, it's good. Select this surface, enter sketch. Okay, now design sketch a circle of 16 millimeter. Dimensions, $16mm. Go to features, extruded boss base. Here select up to surface and this surface. Okay, see, now fillet, its radius is 2mm. Go to fillet 2mm and select this. Okay, go to appearance, make it plastic, texture, clear plastic. Okay, so we have designed this one according to the given dimensions. Thanks for watching.